baby, welcome back everybody. Woo! Well, Merry Christmas everybody, it's Christmas Day. We're back out here at the spot. It's been maybe 2 weeks since I've been here. Gonna have to check on how our jump's doing. Sick. Four-wheeler?
Yeah, bro, that berm's gone.
Ah! See how our jump's looking. Not too shabby. Oh, ate it, baby.
Not falling out now. I turned my idle up.
Woo!
Yo, this shit's nice as fuck right now.
It's good. Outside. Ripping. This spot never fails, man. Go ahead and go in the comments right now and let me know if you guys, whoa. Go ahead and go in the comments right now and let me know if you guys like these videos riding the local spot on the YZ. Might try to get a little outside line. Yeah, I was about to say we might we might have to make a little outside line with this little pipe coming in. Whoo, baby, look at that perfect freaking dirt right here. Love it. For some reason, right in this section, always a little perfect dirt. Oh my God, dude. I about looped that bitch. Woo, baby. Holy shit, I was looking away trying to not get roost in my eyes. I'm about to put my goggles back on for sure. Whew. On the ground are sketchy, I will say. Woo, let's go check out this new trail. So I was also gonna see, let me know guys in the comments if you'd like to see me try like a GNCC type race. Which if you don't know, that's like kind of a trail race. They also have hare scrambles, which are kind of like a mix of usually like a big trail loop, and then it kind of goes into like a motocross track for like a half a lap or something, incorporates a little bit of the motocross track. That'd be cool to do too. But let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing me have a little try at it. But looks like we're on this new trail here. I already plan on doing some MX races, just some regular motocross track races. I wanted to do some this fall and winter really, but I just haven't had much time to. This is a nice little trail here. Everything's so covered with leaves right now in the fall, it's just kind of a pain in the ass to see around, but this is a nice little trail. Oh yeah, I think we've been over here, a little homeless camp over here, or the remnants of it. God, this thing rips. That was a nice little trail. Just saw some quad guys, some quad gods rolling nut in the butt. I don't know where they went though. Where'd they go? Oh my God. Oh, yo, oh no, no. Front brake gone.
Here they come.
Oh, they're coming. Well, let's get it. Hell yeah. Let's go ride with them. Oh, he's scared. Chasing down the quad, baby. Oh, that was too funny. I don't have a front brake right now at all. Luckily, that's like 10 bucks, so I'm not worried about it. I think I have one at the crib. That shit was...
Did that? You got me good.
Oh, dude, he went... Ah!
Did that?
He went... Ah! That was funny. I gassed it. I went... Whoa! 180. MX first ATV, baby.
Started to get it on that little straightaway right there a little faster.
Yeah, once we got behind him, he was like, oh yeah. Probably just out trying to have a nice little Christmas cruise, and we're over here terrorizing them. Oh my god, I keep reaching for this front brake lever and it's not there.
Might be able to feel it, be out of the way just enough now.
Yeah. They sketched out.
Huh?
They sketched out. Let's go get them again. Damn, boy, it smells over here.
I got him right on the turn.
Hell yeah. Woo, baby, no freaking front brake. I am just sending it. Oh my god, dude, you don't realize how much the front brake helps until you don't have one. Same with the back brake. You really need them both. But yeah, everybody, it was like a high of 70 today. Christmas Day. Whoop! It was like a high of 70, so such a nice day. I think I'm gonna put a new tire on my Z tonight and get that thing ready to rip on the Z125. But tomorrow's gonna be about the same exact thing, so a high of 70, so I'll probably try to get out either on the KLX or maybe take this out to a riding spot. We'll see what happens. But I think we're gonna get out of here soon, so I'm gonna end off the video, guys. Thank you everybody for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Drop a like on the video if you enjoyed. I think it was kind of a fun video. And other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.